Are you ready to unlock the secret to youthful, radiant skin? In just 1 minute, we'll reveal how to combat aging caused by sugar. So stay with us and your skin will thank you. As the saying goes, you are what you eat. And when it comes to your skin, this couldn't be more true. The foods you consume have a significant impact on the health and appearance of your skin. One particular dietary culprit that can wreak havoc on your skin is sugar. Yes, that sweet, addictive ingredient that finds its way into so many of our favorite treats, the sweet saboteur. Sugar, while delightful to the taste buds, can be a silent saboteur when it comes to your skin's health. Shelley Woods, an advanced aesthetics practitioner and the founder of Skin Techniques, points out the detrimental effects of excessive sugar consumption on our skin. She explains that our skin's suppleness and softness are attributed to collagen and elastin, two essential components. These proteins keep our skin firm and elastic, contributing to that youthful, plump look we all desire. However, when we consume large amounts of sugar, a sinister process is set in motion. Sugar causes what's known as glycation, a natural chemical reaction that occurs when sugar molecules in your bloodstream bind to proteins. This creates harmful compounds called advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which are anything but friendly to your skin. The glycation process. Now, here's where sugar gets sneaky. These AGEs wreak havoc on collagen and elastin, the very building blocks that maintain your skin's firmness and elasticity. Instead of plump and bouncy, AGEs make these proteins stiff, dry, and brittle. The result? Fine lines, sagging, and wrinkles begin to make their appearance, robbing you of your youthful complexion. The solution? Less sugar, more hydration. So, what's the solution to this sugar-induced aging? Shelley Woods suggests a two-pronged approach. First, reduce your sugar intake. Avoid processed foods, which often contain hidden sugars, and say goodbye to those sweetened drinks and packaged baked goods. Education is key. Knowing what you put into your body allows you to control its effect on your skin. Second, increase your water intake. Proper hydration stimulates the growth of robust, healthy skin cells, aiding in the reversal of premature aging signs. Additionally, consider incorporating fresh fruits and vegetables into your diet. These natural powerhouses are rich in antioxidants and essential nutrients, offering protection against the AGEs that threaten your skin. In conclusion, the path to radiant, youthful skin begins with a mindful approach to your diet. By reducing sugar consumption, staying well hydrated, and embracing a diet rich in fresh produce, you can unlock the secret to combating aging caused by sugar. Your skin will thank you for the extra care as it regains its youthful, resilient glow. So the next time you reach for that sugary snack, remember the sweet reward of ageless, sugar-proofed skin. Rediscover your skin's youthful glow. If you're looking to turn back the clock on your skin's aging process, the answer might be simpler than you think. Shelley Woods, an advanced aesthetics practitioner, has a secret to share. Consuming less sugar can reverse the signs of premature aging. In this blog, we'll explore how your love for sugar might be contributing to those fine lines and wrinkles and what you can do to fight back. Get ready to rediscover your skin's youthful glow. The sweet saboteur. Sugar in your skin. While sugar may be a delightful treat for your taste buds, it's less kind to your skin. Shelley Woods, the founder of Skin Techniques, breaks it down for us. Our skin's softness and suppleness are thanks to two essential proteins, collagen and elastin. These proteins maintain our skin's firmness and elasticity, giving it that youthful, plump appearance. However, sugar, when consumed in excess, triggers a natural process called glycation. Glycation, the culprit behind premature aging. Glycation might sound complicated, but it's a process we should all be aware of. It's when the sugar circulating in your bloodstream latches onto proteins, forming what are known as advanced glycation end products, AGEs. And these AGEs are your skin's worst nightmare. They target the collagen and elastin, the very building blocks that keep your skin firm, elastic, and youthful. The effects of AGEs on your skin. So what's the result of AGEs' handiwork? These troublemakers make your collagen and elastin stiff, dry, and brittle. Rather than a plump and radiant complexion, you start noticing fine lines, sagging, and wrinkles. In essence, AGEs steal away your skin's youthful appearance. How to combat sugar-induced aging. Shelley Woods offers a winning strategy. Cut down on sugar and amp up your water intake. By reducing sugar consumption and increasing your hydration levels, you stimulate the growth of strong, healthy skin cells. And these vibrant cells can help turn back the clock on premature aging signs. Furthermore, incorporate fresh fruits and vegetables into your diet. Packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients, they act as your secret weapons against ages. These natural powerhouses protect your skin, ensuring it retains its youthful, resilient glow. Conclusion: your path to youthful, sugar-proofed skin. In conclusion, the journey to ageless, sugar-proofed skin starts with a mindful approach to your diet. By reducing sugar consumption, staying well hydrated, and embracing a diet rich in fresh produce, you can unlock the secret to combating aging caused by sugar. Your skin will thank you for the extra care as it regains its youthful, resilient glow. So the next time you reach for that sugary snack, remember the sweet reward of ageless, sugar-proofed skin. Remember, you are what you eat, and a healthier diet can lead to healthier, more youthful skin.
See you in the next video.